Harisystems. This is Sekharmetla, software trainer. Today I'm going to discuss with you about a trending and a most popular Python programming language. What is Python and what are the basic things you need to consider to develop your skills on Python programming language? On Sunday, we are having a great session for you like who wants to learn about Python and how to install and setting up of your Python environment and writing a Python program language, how super easy you will be learn. Coming Sunday, you will be shared using like our Harisystems Twitter and Facebook accounts. We have shared communication, how to connect Zoom meeting via credentials like Zoom Meet ID and Passcode to connect. Come and connect and we'll have a live chat, one-to-one sessions over there, and you will be very clear to write and setting up to writing up Python programs. You will be learn like a very simple and declaration of the Python code and language, and you will be learn many more challenges like what are the opportunities are available in Python. Nowadays any like machine language and AI interface and data science, most of the algorithms are available using Python language. How you can play with the data and knowing the predictions and all you will be known by introducing you will be aware of it, the advantages by learning Python. I hope you are all in the session. Thank you.